Hello, my name is Nick Bursick. Today we're going to discuss the topic of preventing low back pain and how this information is relevant to you now and into the future. Here's the agenda of today's talk. First, we're going to review the 3 knowns applicable to everyone in attendance. Next, we'll learn the 4 steps to properly set up your workstation. And finally, we'll use our kinesiology knowledge to help fight sitting syndrome. Let's begin by agreeing on 3 universal knowns which apply to everyone in this classroom. This is the foundation of our talk and truisms on which all further discussion will be based. Let's start with known number 1. We use various forms of technology every day, including laptops, phones, and tablets, and everyone has unique preferences on which technology to use to complete specific activities and tasks. For example, you might prefer to complete longer assignments on your laptop, check emails and social media on your phone, and watch videos and recorded lectures on your tablet. Since technology is so flexible and integrated in our lives, both inside and outside the classroom, this leads us to known number 2. We don't plan to stop using technology. Everyone in this class spends several hours each day in front of a computer screen completing work-related tasks, surfing the internet, playing computer games, reading materials, watching videos, and completing classwork. The cumulative effect of all this screen time can wreak havoc on your body via bad posture. Bad posture habits can cause imbalanced body alignment, strain on ligaments and muscles, chronic pain, injuries, impingement, low back pain, neck pain, hip pain, joint stiffness, and muscle tightness. The term ergonomics has been developed as a mechanism to address this issue. Ergonomics has been described as the field of study of seeking to fit the job to the person rather than the person to the job. Numerous applications of ergonomics exist, but for this presentation we'll focus on ergonomics as it relates to working in front of a computer in a static, seated position for extended periods of time. Let's move on to known number 3. We are all interested in kinesiology in some form. We have already confirmed as a student you regularly use either a laptop or desktop computer to complete your coursework. Therefore, having basic ergonomic knowledge on how to correctly set up your typical home or dorm computer workstation is useful for your direct benefit. To add to that, approximately 73% of U.S. adults own a desktop or a laptop computer, and having basic ergonomic knowledge provides you with a mechanism to take wellness out of the gym and provide your future or current clients a tangible outlet for the strength and flexibility training programs in which you have designed. Let's start with basic ergonomic knowledge on how to correctly set up a typical computer workstation. According to UCLA website, there are 4 basic steps to follow to set up your workstation. Start with the chair, then move to the mouse and keyboard. Once done, adjust the monitor, and finish by incorporating regular pauses and breaks into your computer time. Please visit the UCLA ergonomic website referenced at the bottom of the screen for specifics and to learn more. Next, let's discuss basic ergonomic knowledge as a mechanism to take wellness out of the gym when working with your future or current clients. Harnessing the bunkers of kinesiology is a great place to start. Bunkers are the common, useful aspects of kinesiology which are supported by science, such as regular exercise is good for cardiovascular health. In regards to preventing low back pain, the 3 bunkers which are of crucial importance are listed here. Anytime back pain is brought up, the discussion will eventually move on to the core muscles. Many individuals believe the abdominal muscles are the core muscles. This is partially true, but for more accurate definition, the core muscles include basically any muscle, deep or surface, between the pelvis and the base of the rib cage. In short, a well-designed exercise program that incorporates movements in all 3 planes, sagittal, frontal, and transverse, will engage all of the core muscles. So how do we go about creating this so-called well-designed exercise program? In order to fight sitting syndrome, I propose you follow a basic formula. First, use either a foam roller or tennis ball to stretch the tightest muscles, including the chest, hip flexors, and calves. Next, engage the deep core muscles through planks and other triplanar exercises. Finally, complete a general full-body strength training routine with adequate time devoted to the weakest muscles, including the upper back, hamstrings, and glutes. It's that simple. In conclusion, we like technology and know it isn't going away. Unfortunately, a byproduct of our constant use of technology is bad posture, muscular imbalances, and eventual pain. Rather than considering this outcome as inevitable, View it as an opportunity to use your degree in kinesiology in a novel fashion. By doing so, you will have placed yourself in a great opportunity to benefit others as well as benefit yourself. Thank you very much.